For years, I've been perfecting the card and the spoke trick that, if you're older, you may have done as a child, maybe even with a similar bike to this. And so I figured out how to achieve certain sounds. Um, so the farther outward you put the card, um, the higher the RPM it's going to sound like. The further in towards the hub you go, the more it's going to sound like a Model T or an old tractor. Now, ignore this here for now. This is an experimental acoustic amplifier disguised as an exhaust. It basically creates a more basically a more engine-like sound by, you know, acting as a resonating chamber. You may even hear a hum, like a intake whistle or a gear whine from it. But for now, ignore that. So use chip clips because clothespins do not seem to work well at all. They just fling off and then your card flies out. I don't know why, but whatever. So currently I have it to where the outer arms are flipped out and the inner arms are flipped in. It obviously, this is broken here, but they would be flipped out instead of into the spoke. That way, this part of the card bites the spoke, and then here, this hits the spoke metal on metal, and it creates a deeper, more big engine sound, like a larger engine. Currently, it sounds like an inline six, but you can create V engine sounds like V twins. Experiment.